Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into overshadow. 9 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Dwarf, which means cause to seem small or insignificant in comparison. Dwarf. For example, her progress was dwarfed by the achievements of her sister. Number 2. Outshine, which means be much better than someone in a particular area. Outshine. For example, it is a shame when a mother outshines a daughter. Number 3. Eclipse, which means deprive someone or something of significance or power. Eclipse. For example, the use of procaine was eclipsed by the discovery of cortisone. Number 4. Outstrip, which means exceed. Outstrip. For example, supply far outstripped demand. Number 5. Transcend, which means surpass a person or achievement. Transcend. For example, his latest bout of bad behavior transcended even his own worst excesses. Number 6. Outdo, which means be superior to in action or performance. Outdo. For example, the men try to outdo each other in their generosity. Number 7. Excel, which means be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. Excel. For example, she excelled him in her command of the language. Number 8. Exceed, which means be better than. Exceed. For example, economic growth exceeded expectations this year. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.